Hi, it's Dexter Sinclair here for MSNBC. We are live on the battlefield. I'm embedded with what is your rank?
I'm a junior cadet. Like
Okay.
I get like water and stuff like that. Like pick up
Okay, I was
figures.
told you're the head of the U.S. forces here in the Middle East.
I mean, yeah, that's me. I'm the head of the forces in the Middle East here. I'm running things.
Okay, for the record, could you say your name?
My name is Mike, Staff Officer Cadet Michael Anthony Prosciutto, reporting for duty, sir. That's right. That's me. I'm a military guy.
How'd you get this position? How'd you end up in Iran?
Well, so what happened was I went on Airfare Watchdog and I found the cheap ticket out here because I heard they had opium and poppy fields and shit like that. So I came out of here to get my guts right because I can't find Julio. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much my purpose out here.
Okay, and how did Donald Trump contact you to put you in charge of this alliance?
So he DM'd me, right? And I was just like, bro, what's up, bro? Like, my mom voted for you. Like, you're a prick. I don't fucking know you. Like, and then he was just like, listen to me. I'll send you over there. It'll be beautiful. You'll be right next door to Afghanistan. They have amazing poppy fields. You can get the rawest, raw.
Michael Anthony, watch your six. They're advancing.
What the fuck, bro?
We need suppressive fire. Oh my God, I'm out here. I'm over here watching your back. Oh my God, they're gonna attack.
Mom, I said lay down cover and fire while I get right.
Get right there. Fire on them.
All right, fine. Pass me. Give me the Draco. Give me the Draco.
Here.
Give me.
Here, put on a sweater. It's cold.
All right, here. All right, there he goes.
All right,
I see him. You got him in your sights?
You got him in your sights. Right, I have cataracts.
All right, tell me when to fire.
I guess that. Well, hold on, wait. Like now.
There you go. Boom. Target down. Do the fucking drop. Let's go. World War III, Opium Gang.
And we will begin the new decade with the problematic, like the same way we ended the last decade.
Yes.
Episode 185 of the world's only podcast that if you listen to it legally,
Yes.
you can ask people to help you kill yourself. Mm-hmm. It's true. Mm-hmm. It's true. Bodega Boys in the building. 2020. The vision is 2020. You know what it is?
Peep God.
You know what I'm saying?
Third eye, 2020 vision God.
While I say we 2020, I say because we Barbara Walters to this money, baby.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Quadruple entendre. Don't even ask me how. It's the rock.
Yo, I leave the view behind.
Yo, wow.
It's my rear view. Get it?
Wow. Wow, I got white in my pocket. I'm like Megan McCain on The View. Whoa.
Yo.
As always, you know what I'm saying? Coming to you live from Milk Studios in the Jamroom. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Sad to report, we no longer have any. We've literally covered every topic on this podcast. So this one is only like 10 minutes long.
Yeah, David Stern died.
Yeah.
Whoopi Goldberg almost fought Megan McCain.
Oh, we're going to war.
Oh, shit. Yeah. That's right.
Pick up the war, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Shit.
Because
ironically, Donald Trump was saying the shit about Obama. Like, yo, this motherfucker's going to start a needless war, blah, blah, blah. And now it seems that he is.
The wildest part, it started with a drone strike. Like, dude was just getting in a car coming out the airport. Mm-hmm. How many times have you done that? Yeah. Now I'm going to be, next time I get out, I'm like, yo, look up for shit. Everyone's like, you're not getting drone strike deeds. You don't know that.
How do you know that?
You don't know that. The white man might want to do that with his technology to stop me from opening your third eye. Mm-hmm. Okay? I hope y'all start this decade with your pineal gland decalcified. Give it up for the God Victor in the house.
Papi, llegó, tío.
You know what
I'm saying? We here.
Fine. But thankfully, don't worry. This war will not affect the podcast because we're too old to get drafted.
Yeah, that's right.
That's what we get for surviving the Bronx. Yeah.
Stupid.
That's actually not a funny thing.
Apparently, if you get shot, you cannot serve in the military.
Or if you shot niggas.
You know what I'm saying?
Or you shot at niggas.
That's right.
Or you DM their girl like, yo, I'm going to shoot your nigga. Tell this nigga stop liking the photos. The fuck? All right?
You're automatically barred.
That's your cousin? I don't give a shit. How come he liked the photos of you in the bikini, but he don't like the fucking photo of me and you?
Yeah.
Huh?
How about that?
Huh? I'll kill that nigga.
Yo, I swear.
Play with me if you want.
Yeah.
Think I won't throw this Showtime show away.
I wish niggas would test my gangster, bro.
Okay.
I've been waiting
for this for so long. Making love till the sun comes up. Whoa, relax.
God,
Whoa. Nah, ain't nobody doing all that.
Nah, that's a lot.
Nigga, the car is coming at 9.
Listen.
Till the sun comes up. I'm going to have bags under my eyes.
The only time I'm making love till the sun comes up is if we start fucking at like 4:55 a.m.
Nah, you know, sun come up is because that makes you realize, like, you know, when you're having sex, you really shouldn't be able to see the clock. Yeah. Because then in your mind, you're like, yo, I've been banging it up for like 40 minutes.
And you look at the clock.
The clock is like 2 minutes, nigga.
11 minutes, you bastard.
2-minute warning. You're in that part of the basketball game where they can still replay shit. Sure, he throws a flag on the thing like challenge.
Yeah, challenge flag.
Challenge. I did not come.
Yo, put some more time on the clock.
I'm like, she came. Check. She was breathing heavy.
She did the little leg quiver.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
You see all the refs looking at the screen like
yeah, her toes did curl.
Okay.
The toes curled right there.
We're waiting to get a call back from the office in upstate New York.
Right.
In upstate New York.
So in the meantime,
you hate to see this. Everyone in the stands has no idea what's going on to delay a game.
I mean, you know, it just elongates the game. It prolongs the whole process, and you just want to get it over with.
Now, Kid Mero, you used to be a professional back blower outer before you became a sportscaster. Yeah. What did you see in her orgasm face that makes you think it was legit?
Well, off top, I got to say that her eyebrows touched.
Yeah,
that's a very strong indicator of like, you know.
Mero knows his stuff. Howard. Mero knows his stuff.
You know what I mean? And when your toes curl up like popcorn shrimp, you know.
Oh, you know.
That nut is real.
Like Pusha T said, if
can't
you know,
fake that.
You know.
You know.
Okay, wait, they're coming back. The play remains on the field. She did not come.
She did not come.
You hate to see it. You hate to see it. Oh, she's fist pumping.
Oh, wow.
I hate to see it. She has her phone out. She is texting. She is giving him a bad dick report in the group chat. You hate
see,
to
this
see
is what I hate. This is what I hate about the game.
This is the ugliest part of the game.
This is the ugliest part of the game.
Wow.
You got the officials involved.
Wow, the crowd is booing him.
The game.
Wow.
You know, it's no longer based on the athlete.
Where are the computerized orgasm umps?
That's right.
Ugh. Hate to see it. Hate to see it.
You know?
I'm glad George Steinbrenner's not alive for this.
Listen, it's disgusting what they've done to the game, the beautiful game.
They should have a
clit sensor.
Clit sensor. They should have a service you could call. I was like, you think someone faked the orgasm? And they just come back like, yo. They just come scan the room.
like a
No. Look, it's wet right here.
No. Yeah.
It's wet right here.
Yeah, you peed on yourself a little bit.
There you go.
You definitely know that.
There you go. They just give you like a StockX thing, like, yo, certified Punani Slayer right over here. Yeah.
Remember when people having that whole discussion about whether squirting was like a liquid that was not urine?
Yeah.
And people were like, nah, that's pee.
Yeah.
And some people were like, nah, that's not pee. Rich homie Quana settled the debate.
What did he say?
He said it's pee-pee.
It's pee-pee?
That's not squirting. That is pee-pee.
I mean, you can't really expect a woman to just have like copious amounts of a mysterious liquid we've never seen before that's just coming out.
It just come out of nowhere.
Like, listen, if you want to pee on me, just pee on me, mom.
No, it's all good.
You're not lying, squirt.
Man.
I don't want you to, you don't have to be over here getting your fucking hitting the NPC down there.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just do your thing. You can piss. It's all good.
Let out that quick sigh, like, you know, give me that warm street. Make me feel like I live in Penn Station.
Yeah.
Shout out to the Knicks, undefeated so far in 2020.
I was gonna say, wait a minute, hold on.
You know what I'm saying? Listen, we're undefeated in this decade, so we're taking it.
So fuck it.
Nah, they throw shout out to Melo the God. The other night he was doing numbers. My man Frank Nick was killing it. Knicks looking good.
Frankie Smokes.
I'm back on the. It don't take much for me to be back. All the Knicks got to do is play well.
No.
I'm back.
Yeah.
So
don't lose by 40, and I'm back.
You know what? Yeah, if you lose by 40 and the next game you lose by 30, I'm like, oh shit, progress,
improvement. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Being a Knicks fan is like dating on a crackhead. Like, listen,
facts.
You gotta take your victories where you get them. Listen. All right, not every victory includes winning the game.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes the victory is like, wow, no one got hurt.
You know what? Jay-Z was wrong when he said moral victories are for minor league coaches.
No, it's also for Knicks fans.
You know what I'm saying? It's also for Knicks fans.
The other night, the game ended at like 9:48, and I was like, wow, I'll get 12 extra minutes of sleep. Thank you.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Mike Miller.
Mike Miller, the Knick killer, you know what I'm saying? The God. Oh man,
Yeah.
this is how it's gonna end because the Knicks are gonna go on a run. They're gonna easily make the playoffs and they're gonna win everything, but we're not gonna see it because World War III.
Yeah,
that's how this.
That's it. We're gonna be like the last shot, Game 7, 3-pointer. It's about to go in. It's about to go in.
All right, no nuclear pop jokes. Those were funnier in episode 184 when they were just jokes.
Yeah.
Why would you want to go to war with people who possibly have
nukes?
Nuclear weapons is different. It's like fighting a nigga that you know has a gun on him at the party.
This is why we told everybody as New Yorkers, yo, Donald Trump got money, but he's stupid, and nobody believed it.
No, you know what he's doing? He's doing New York nigga shit. He's doing New York like everyone else because like okay, clearly the embassy got attacked. And instead of being like, yo, here's going to find a solution or whatever, it's like if somebody came and threw rocks through your window, you're going to go find them and beat the shit out of them. So he was like, yo, kill the nigga that did that. So there we go. I mean, the hood part of me respects it.
Yeah, but then it's just like, fam.
The geopolitical and I want to live part of me is like, no, this is not cool. This is probably not for the best. And you know niggas was in the room like, no, they're killing him is probably not an option. It was like, fuck that.
Imagine fucking it was just like fucking like
my gun goes boom.
It was like fucking Julio and Terrell running fucking geopolitical operations. Be like, yo, chill, yo, he disrespected you, OD, my nigga. You gotta go.
Yo, do that shit for the block, my nigga.
For real.
Yo, put some work in.
Fuck that.
Fuck that, nigga. that nigga talking cash shit on Twitter.
Talking crazy, nigga. He's over here dressed like Michael Jackson and fucking off the wall.
Nigga was just like on a fucking Southwest flight. Just got off. Just got in the car and shit. Probably was just cracking open a bottle of water and shit. Talking to the driver. How much?
You know the
That's why. And
the crazy shit is that motherfuckers will refuse to call this shit an assassination. Nigga, they assassinated that nigga, bro.
Okay, assassination is like what happened to Biggie and Tupac. This nigga got hit with a missile. That's different. That's different.
He got mass assassinated, nigga.
All right, you get hit with a missile.
You know the fucking fine.
That's different. Imagine you in the car next to him, like yo,
shit. I blew up too. I was in the blast radius.
Shit. You just waiting for your Uber. You're like, oh, no. It's like, yeah, your Uber is 9 minutes. You're like, oh, come on.
Oh, man.
I'm by the blast.
Yo, I'm right by the rubble. Yeah. Yo, this shit is crazy. Yo, and this shit has divided Twitter into two factions, like the mad serious, like C-SPAN faction, and the yo, we go get these jokes off faction.
Listen, that's what Twitter is. And people are just like, yo, you have to have like some compassion. Like niggas on Twitter don't care.
They don't fucking
people on Twitter got their own problems.
You think people go on Twitter to give a fuck about other people's
shit? People are like, yo, think about like people gonna die. And they're like, people here don't give a like.
Oh, what's hit him with the camera?
It's
like,
also niggas die every day. It's true. It's true. I don't know.
Oh, I can say at this point the Anderson Cooper instead of the camera because Anderson Cooper said this motherfuckers die every day, B. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean, the wild part is like when I was in Hawaii and at the Pearl Harbor exhibit, they had like mad radio broadcasts from the actual Pearl Harbor before the attack and after the attack. And I was like, what happens if like there is a nuclear bomb and they have to do like a museum and like before they're gonna do like a wall of just the tweets. The tweets from the night before. And niggas gonna be like, they were so careless.
Yo,
they were
LOL.
So callous.
Yo, LOL, they about to bomb us. Suck my dick.
The aliens are gonna be like, look at these stupid humans.
You fools.
Look at them.
You annihilated your entire species.
You kids enjoy this, coming to this rubble. This used to be called Earth. This is an educational trip. I'm sorry you cannot go to 16 flags over glop glop. Man, I hate it here.
Yeah, it sucks. I want chicken fingers.
Zorkenborg, get your tentacles off that picture. Over here, this is the Desus and Mero exhibit.
Oh, wow.
I hate them guys. Shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. That was classic.
Change
the course of comedy forever.
Somebody suck that baby dick. That's what they came to Earth for.
The little aliens are like, yo, we don't know what that means.
A big UFO lands. They're like, what do you want? They're like, what is a baby dick?
What is a baby dick?
It's like a whole civilization that's just based off of Cuba Gooding Jr. movies.
He's their messiah? They come back to get that nigga like, yo.
Give us the Cuba.
Give us
the Cuba.
Cuba.
Cuba de Fuego. Cuba de Fuego.
Cuba Libre. Cuba Libre.
On our country is nothing on our planet is allowed. It's nothing but devastation. For many years, the radios have been fighting with these snow dogs. I'm like, I was like, how do you have a whole planet of
Cuba Gooding Jr. references? What the fuck is this?
I was like, what's the name of the planet? Cuba? They're like, no.
No, it's stupid. That's a country.
Show me the money. I'm like, that's a stupid name for a planet. That's a stupid name for a planet. You people are stupid.
Nah, dumb. Fuck out of here. What's the president's name? Jerry Maguire.
Please, everyone, be quiet. Be quiet. We are going to play our national anthem.
Somebody suck that baby's dick. Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Niggas got 4 tentacles over their hearts and shit.
They played that Oh, shit. Then he's got a fucking statue of Cuba Gooding Jr. in front of that government building with a picture of him with the chicken head. That's like what they wear for their proceedings and shit. You in court, they're like, you have been charged guilty in the court of Cuba.
You are sentenced to years in prison.
You are getting some 40 shots of Jägermeister.
Jaeger bombs.
Oh, shit. As always, don't forget, we are not unemployed. We have a show on Showtime. Come back February 3rd.
February 3rd.
You know what I'm saying? Enough time for you to
do whatever you got to do.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you got to do some illegal stuff in order to afford that Showtime subscription, do it now.
Make it happen.
Do it now. Don't waste time because subscribe now before World War III starts.
That's right. Also, now is the perfect time for you to start your OnlyFans and get your money up. You know what I'm saying? Before the apocalypse and before the show starts.
Think about it, no one, because then even if your nudes leak, no one will be alive. No one care.
Facts.
Think about it.
Boom.
Think about
it. I'm saying also you about body positivity over
body
there.
pies.
Body pies.
Want you to be body pies because I want to be pies when I'm beating my meat. OnlyFans.
Yo, shout out to Chef G. That was completely random.
Who?
Chef G. God damn. Yo.
Who's that?
The Brooklyn. So now, okay, so people are calling genres of music different shit now. To me, this shit was just rap. But they're calling it's drill music. Drill music. Mm-hmm. What is this? What is the distinction between drill music and just rap where motherfuckers are like, yo, I'm gonna blow your top off, I'm gonna twist a cap?
I'm over 30. You're asking the wrong person.
Like,
well, this too is real hip hop. Just the other day, you know what I'm saying? I put on my beef and broccolis.
Oh shit!
And I went to Fat Beats.
Oh shit! Cop the white label.
Nah, because it's actually a juice bar now. But I stood in front of it and I rapped. I performed the whole Lyricist Lounge too. Okay?
I was there. It was me, Wordsworth,
it was
Percy
me
P.
And what was his name? Puerto Rican.
Yeah.
Thurston Howell the Third.
Yeah, he was
there.
Yeah,
you know
that's right. It was a good time.
It was a good time. It was hip hop.
Yeah.
Because no matter what happens, World War II, World War III, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Hip hop is here forever.
Yeah, forever. We got the Mass Appeal beat on repeat.
You know what I mean? Coming right down with the Mass Appeal. That's the only thing that can save the world. If a nuclear missile is coming, the only thing that can save the world is DJ Premier on 2 turntables.
Yo, yeah, and mad people freestyling like mad lyricists.
Everyone in America, everyone, we need you to do a windmill. Do a windmill.
Yo, if you don't have a microphone, go to your nearest comment section and do a key style.
Bomb drop. That's the new nuclear bomb alert. Fat Man Scoop.
If you got nukes, nigga, put your hands up.
Nuke bombs. Oh, nuke bombs. Oh. This is very dark. This is very dark. This is, you know, but is it dark? Like, what can we do to stop it?
And that's my thing. It's like, yo, even if me and you sit up here and rail against this shit for 3 hours,
we can't.
What is that gonna do?
In theory, it could drop right now, and all of us would be stuck here. Oh my God, we don't even have any food in here,
fam. It's just an empty fridge. There's a couple Stellas.
Who she laughing like she don't realize we gonna eat her first. I I ain't eating no niggas. That's the hotel for me. What?
That's a goofy.
Hold on, Hasan got food. Yeah. Victor gonna come in here. It's gonna be us eating somebody. He's like, what happened? I was like, the nuclear bomb. He's like, that was a car backing up. They were like, yo, I've been gone for 20 minutes. I was like, no. It's a new society.
New world order.
We eat fingernails now.
It's like eating the nigga's hair.
Ooh, the bounty.
It tastes like coconut.
Damn, a nuclear bomb is not fun.
Not at all.
That's a quote. Put that in your senior yearbook. Oh,
Yo,
God.
Yo, shit. It's like, yo, fuck off. That's our rance music. Da-da.
Oh, my God. We're going to die. We're going to die. And we should know better. We were in New York when 9/11 happened.
Yo, you feel me?
Like,
we've seen it.
You know, we're such jaded New Yorkers. We're just
It's like,
literally
yeah,
a nuclear bomb could go off and New Yorkers be like,
well, you know, whatever.
come on, keep this train moving.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that
I'm
shit.
sorry, this train is going out of service because a nuclear bomb has destroyed Manhattan. Come on, what the fuck,
man,
bro? I gotta go to fucking work. What the fuck?
Yeah, that was downtown.
Go
I'm
around
going
the shit. What
uptown.
the fuck,
I'm
man?
going uptown.
Come on, man.
The fuck, yo?
This that bullshit.
See?
De Blasio, fam, suck my
What?
dick.
Yeah, suck my
Hate
whole
this
dick,
shit,
man. I bet you they raised the fare now,
You
too.
know that shit, man. Yo, fuck that.
yo.
Anyway, what's
Oh, we
up? How
gotta
you
repair the
doing?
tunnels. We
My
gotta
name's
repair the
Jesus.
tunnels.
Kid Mero. We used to have a Showtime show. We here to perform for
You know
y'all.
what I'm
It's called Showtime.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, say if you like what you like, clap. If
Clap.
you like, if you don't like what you like, we gonna fuck you up.
Yeah,
all right?
you know what I'm saying?
All right.
Put your money up.
Yo, Hasan, put that music on.
You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Hasan got the wild big boombox. Like, yo, they're retro.
He still got food in his cheek and shit. Like, yo, I'm saving this shit.
Nah, if the nuclear bomb happens, everyone should go to Madison Square Garden for safety.
Oh, shit.
No.
That might be a bigger disaster than a nuclear bomb. It's a fucking Knicks.
Bodega Hive, if a nuclear bomb goes off,
Where we at?
You know where we meeting at. Where is the safest space in New York City? Where is the place we hold revere? What place do we talk about every week?
La Marina, dog.
La Marina.
La Marina.
Come to La Marina.
Nuke proof. Nuke proof.
Nuke proof.
You know what I'm saying?
If the nuclear bomb comes off, you just throw the sand in the air.
That's it. And it just stops. Or you can escape by water.
We're going to be there at Bodega Hive. People are going to be like, yo, where's the food? I was like, we got hookah.
It's digital, though.
We got hookah. We got digital
shit.
hookah at Brugal. He'd be like, yo, I'm hungry. I'm dying of radiation poisoning.
Yo,
Like,
eat some shisha.
I'm like, yo, they're like, Jesus, did you have a plan? I was like, oh, fuck.
Damn.
Oh, damn.
I mean, ideas and plans are different things.
Oh, shit. I
That's
was
an
like,
idea.
I was like, you know what? Hey!
Fuck that!
Come on! We're gonna have a good time. Hey! Everyone's like, yo!
Yo, is that a mushroom cloud?
Let's go! No! Turn it up!
Hey!
Hasan, turn it up! Are there any Aries in the house?
Yo, that's me. I'm Aries. Yes, that's what's up.
Don't even lie. That little clip right there, you was right back at La Marina. You was back two-stepping in that fucking sand.
That shit gave me PTSD.
Grinding on some girl you're not supposed to grind on. She's not supposed to be grinding on you.
That shit gave me PTSD. I was like, those bad niggas with camera phones out here.
Okay. Shorty, you see her later. You check her Instagram, and you're like, wow. She has a lot of pictures with her boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Wow, okay.
This is pretty incredible.
I thought that was her brother.
Wow. 4 years together. I like what we got. I'm like,
Oh shit! Because I was
in the bathroom, but
you know what I'm saying?
oh,
You know the fucking
you know the fucking vibes.
You know what I'm
Sometimes
saying?
you just go with the
What
vibes.
happens in La Marina stays in La Marina.
Yeah, yeah. They just put a little sand inside their bathroom. Like, yeah, this is La Marina.
Yeah.
Oh, if you think about it, cats. Every time a cat takes a shit, they're in La Marina.
True. Wow, hold that.
Right.
And it's fucking unlike La Marina, the kitty litter actually reduces the scent of,
Some of us like the
urine.
scent. Some of us like the scent. Some of us are nasty. Some of us are sushi boys.
Sushi boys.
Trump's gonna be like, send the sushi boys in. Send the sushi boys. They're gonna eat weed and Pinot.
That's all they need. They don't need weapons. They just need weed and Pinot.
Get back in the back of the plane. They're like, you have a parachute? I was like, no, I got OG Kush.
Yeah, fucking lifted, nigga.
Jumping out. Yeah. Nigga landing black Air Force Ones. Like,
yo. The entire army's like, oh shit, they got black Air Force Ones. No, they're not playing at all.
The Navy SEALs like, yo, chill, yo, you go first.
Yeah, y'all go in first. Go ahead. Y'all run point.
We're from the Bronx. We're just going in there with bats and shit.
A bat and a machete.
Nigga, we don't even go. We're like, yo, we don't got no beef with no Iranians. Yo, your president, come out.
Yo, who's your president?
We gotta go. We're gonna broker a deal where the president of Iran and the president and Donald Trump shoot a fair one.
That's how it's
pay per view on Showtime.
That's right.
Yeah.
Showtime boxing, y'all.
Who we coming out with? We can't come out with Donald Trump. We gonna come out with the Iranian president?
Yeah, we gotta thug it out.
Yeah.
Gang, with the flag and all that shit. Yeah, dog.
Because Donald Trump could get booed, so we can't come out with Donald Trump.
You wildin'.
But we gotta come out with the Iranian president. We just walking like Bieber and shit. And niggas, niggas is really just come through, fit the vibes. They be like, coming through. The president of Iran. We be like, yo, you know the vibes.
That's right.
Yes. We back in the most
yeah.
Let me introduce you to the new talk. Let's get straight to it. Come on.
Singing like on the ropes and shit, like stretching and shit.
We throw mad dinos
doing that shit. Like, yo, like. Hey. Just get him ready. Like, yo, fuck him up. Yo, fuck Trump up. Yo, beat that nigga out. Is this problematic? Yeah. This is so many levels of this is a problematic onion. Because you take off one level of problematic and there's more
like,
underneath.
It's like, goddamn.
That's right. Pull back our problematic foreskin. Mom.
Yeah.
Pull back my problematic anteater. It looks like Arthur.
Get to all the problematic smegma.
Is smegma problematic?
Yeah, it could be.
Or is we now raising a culture of smegma shaming?
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Smegma actually is a excellent way to have protective text, because once shorty pulls your foreskin back and sees the segment, you not fucking. You know what I'm saying? So that way,
unless she nasty and she eat that shit like yogurt.
Sucio gang. Oh, god damn, nigga.
Episode 185 is sponsored by Big Smegma.
Yo, shorty ever time you over, you got smegma, boy? Listen, you gotta start asking questions.
There's a difference between having an OnlyFan and having an only fan. Okay, get on that level, nigga. Get on that level.
Yo, fam. The worst though is
so if you got shorty doing shit where you can't look at her in her eye the next day, shit, you gotta wife that. You know what I'm saying?
Like, yo,
she can't come back in Soho House because she was doing nasty shit on the banisters. You know, hey.
You know what I'm saying?
They're like, there are children here. She's like, I want them to watch. Whoa.
Excuse me. Oh, you put the tampon out and just put it right back in after we finish? Wow. That's a lot.
It's like when you're chewing gum and eating dinner. Just put it to the side. Wow, how are we this nasty this early in the year? My God.
This shit just builds up.
Builds up like Smegma.
The other cheese.
Remember they used to advertise the other white meat? Was it pork?
Yeah, the other white meat. I was like,
advertise pork?
What's the draw of that?
No, like what was going on? Were they like, oh my God, we're not selling enough pork? Like niggas eat pork.
I always thought about shit like that, and I always was like, yo, it doesn't make sense. Like, let's say you're like Coca-Cola or Apple. Mm-hmm. You could take an entire year of advertising, and would it really affect the bottom line?
It wouldn't, but I mean, you have the money for it. See, something like that, that's not a good example. A better example was like, remember when they were advertising milk? Nigga, who gonna advertise milk? That's like, yo, oxygen. Fuck with it, my nigga.
Yo, fuck with it.
Yo, air.
Yo,
that shit hitting.
Yo, cotton. We been making clothes out of that shit. You wear
remember
clothes,
they
right?
had cotton to touch the feel of cotton, the fabric of our lives.
And oppression.
That's right. Teach these devils.
To this day.
Teach these devils.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. I'm so black I don't even pick cotton out the aspirin bottle.
Fuck out of here.
They're like, wow.
To this day.
Okay. All right.
They don't even put cotton in aspirin bottles no more.
I don't get headaches. hell? I'm on TV. I don't got regular people problems.
Yo, when you get on TV, like all your problems disappear. I have
That's not true.
Ailments.
You get new problems. You get problems like I was tight the other day on New Year's. I turned to Showtime. They didn't have a Desus Mero marathon. I was like,
oh, that's how you do it? Oh, wow.
huh. So now I turned to Netflix and I watched You.
You.
It's a good show. It's about a white guy and white guys from watching Netflix. I realized white guys can only do two things: either run a podcast or murder women.
Oh yeah,
Literally it,
or both.
So he does the second. So it's cool. But as a fellow sociopath, watching him, he's a little annoying. He's not killing people fast enough for me.
That's the thing with that show. Like, I haven't watched the show personally, but I see people's opinions on it, and they're very varied. Some are like, you're like, yo, he's a likable sociopath. And some people are like, yo, we fuck with this guy, but we're celebrating a murderer. Like, how do I... And I'm just like, shut the fuck up, niggas, TV.
Well, not only that, people are just like...
you went to see Wreck-It Ralph for you to say shit.
People are like, oh, how could you like celebrate a murderer? I was like, yo, a lot of y'all are celebrating murderers and don't even know it.
You don't even know it. Oh.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Decalcify your pineal gland, stupid.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Fuck out of here.
Ask Karen 3 cubicles over about her first husband. Mm-hmm. She's going to get quiet.
What happened to him? I was watching Dateline last night. Mm-hmm. I know what happened.
You just come in like, Karen.
It was Lance Kirkpatrick.
Karen, I was watching a little Lifetime yesterday.
I know.
She's like, oh my God.
Oh my God. I saw the exclusive rights to the Hallmark Channel. How to get on Lifetime?
I saw what you did. You burned him in the bed.
Yo. I watched Dateline the other night for the first time in mad long, and it was one of those like murder mystery stories. And they talking to the two detectives, and one of them is the wild Officer Prosciutto, and then the other dude looked like motherfucking Spice Adams. Yeah. And they were just sitting there next to each other talking about, yeah, so we were the trail went cold, and then we found the guy who was just snitched, and the case was wrapped up. I was just like, oh, okay, is that simple? All right. Florida's full of meth heads, by the way, so it's very easy to find a snitch in Florida. You'd be like, yo, we're gonna let you go for a cigarette and some meth, and you will niggas won't snitch on anybody.
Is the meth in Florida better?
I think that's like the capital of the world. They do two things really well in Florida: make meth and produce college football players. That's what they do. You know what I'm saying? That's literally that. And then I think they got like that art thing that they do once a year or twice a year. Or
Art Basil?
Yeah. Art Basil.
Shit. Art Basil would be better if it was just people putting basil on like food. You just went to a gallery, it's just like mad plates.
Nigga, you just made Art Basil for next year because there's gonna be like 20 motherfuckers taping basil leaves to fucking random photos
They're like,
and
wait,
shit.
in a half hour, he's gonna grind up the basil.
Oh my God. Oh, he's got Emerald Lagasse in here. Talking
They
about
have performance arts like,
oh my God, it's incredible. It's unbelievable. Look at how dynamic they are as performers. It's incredible.
That's when the blessings come in.
The blessings come in. That's when the basil comes in.
That's right.
The basil come in.
I'm gonna tape a basil leaf to a fucking wall next year and see if it works.
Could possibly.
You know what I'm saying? Art is subjective.
Art is subjective. You know what's not subjective?
Hip hop,
real hip hop,
real hip hop.
real hip hop.
You know what I'm saying?
House. Yeah.
Talk about it. You know what I'm saying? Take this back.
I mean, you know.
Take it back to 1, 2, pass it.
Okay, relax. You're gonna rip a hole in the hip hop time stream. All right, nobody wants to have hip hop Infinity Wars. I don't have to link up with the Fab Five and Lord Finesse and DITC.
Yo, that video was hilarious because it was like you could tell that the director, whatever, the concept of the video was like, yo, after you finish your verse, you just throw the mic, and then the other guy catches it and starts his verse. Mm-hmm. And then like Fat Joe's in a car, and he just like throws the mic in the air backwards. I'm like, and then J. Rue the Damager catches it in like an alleyway and starts rapping like J. Rue the Damager.
You know what I'm saying? J. Rue. It's also all about the paper. My man J. Rue the Damager.
I like to read books.
Who's gonna be this generation's J. Rue the Damager?
Logic.
No.
Oh, brother, this guy
NY stinks.
He said Logic. We get a lot of Logic slander.
I swear to you, I have never heard a Logic song in my life, except for that one time that somebody made a meme.
No, he got that song like, I don't want to die.
I just want to die. I don't want to be alive.
I was like, what?
And I just took that little meme, like when the Yankees got eliminated from the World Series, and I just put that shit up 100 times. But other than that, I was just like, bruh. First of all, if your first introduction, if my first introduction to your discography is a song where you're like, I don't want to be alive, I just want to fucking die.
Yeah,
I'm like,
all right,
fam,
kill
I don't
yourself,
know.
nigga.
What is it?
I'm West Indian. If you was like, I want to die, I'd be like, so go on.
Go on. You want to do it? Who tell you no? I don't tell you no. You want to fucking, you don't want to be alive? I want to be alive.
That is why there's no suicide prevention lines in the West Indies. You're like, hello, I want to kill myself. Well, go on.
I mean,
what are you waiting for?
You have a goat? Where you live? How much the goat weigh?
How much the goat weigh? The new dancehall sensation coming from the Caribbean boys.
How much the goat weigh?
Way the goat. Way the goat.
Way the goat. That's why you gotta pick up a bigger and shit.
Like,
Start daggering and shit.
I see enough goats before, but I never seen a goat like this. And one of the Jamaicans like, you know, we have more than goats.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Fucking goat
Come
jokes.
on, man.
Enough every fucking week.
We got chicken and other meats, nigga.
Goats be
We got
good, though.
beef and shit.
Goats be good.
Go be hitting. Yo, the
Goats
goat.
be hit.
Island
You ever
goat
heard
slaps.
somebody? You never heard someone like, yo, I'm sick of goats.
Never.
Well, maybe I'm saying that as a Yankee that lives in America. But
listen,
goat is good.
goat is good, bro. Goat is good.
We're like Southern black people. We're like, goat is good all the time. All the time, goat is good.
All the time, goat
All
is
the time,
good.
goat is good.
Goat be
I
blessing
want to
us.
testify, brother.
But
That goat be hitting, brother.
It's just.
I want to thank the Lord for the goat because he's a goat because he made goats.
Oh my God.
And now another goat. Here
Yes,
comes Michael
that's
Jordan.
Right. That's right.
Michael Jordan come with the wild cigar like, I bet you're going to drop 23 points on this goat. Like, what?
Like, where you come from,
I
babe?
put 5 stacks on it. I'm like,
Coming out of nowhere, like, sir, hold my beer.
Kobe versus Jordan battling goats
Battle of the goats
on the Animal Planet.
Damn, imagine they fight. Who you think will win a fist fight between Kobe and Mike?
Michael
Right? You got
got old. He got old. I've been drinking for years. I got a hoop earring. I got a white wife.
And you know those jeans got like the reinforced knees? So that like even if he falls on his knee, like, you know what I'm saying, he's not gonna injure himself.
I mean, they probably like they're kind of bell bottom cut at the bottom. So if he could get one of those like around Kobe's neck, it's a wrap.
Ooh, it's
a wrap.
over.
He could choke him out.
Yo.
Death by Junko.
Yo.
Wow. Hate to see it.
Death by boot cut.
The boot cut killer.
Oh.
OMJ. Still releasing sneakers. Shout out to him. Hasn't played in like 60 years.
Yeah, he's still doing numbers.
Nike out here, they're like, hey, today is the watch tomorrow he's gonna drop like the World War III Jordan 6s. I was like,
Yo,
what, you had these on deck?
Come on, son.
All right, what?
This shit got like Assad's face on the tongue. He's like,
It just
yo,
got,
that's
like,
even
it
the
just
right
got someone
guy.
outside like, oh. And I'm like, this is ridiculous. This is disgusting. This is like jingoistic. This is propaganda. And he's just like waving the dog for like war criminals. And tomorrow at 9:55, I'm on the sneaker app like, let's go.
Yo, this is why exclusive.
Let's go.
Yo,
The app is like, you are waiting in line.
yo. Oh my God.
So sorry, you didn't get it. They need to add our voices to the sneaker app, so when you miss out on sneakers, we roast you.
I'm stupid.
Guess who got the sneakers? Not you, you dumbass.
You thought you was getting Air Max, nigga? Don't jack that. Stupid.
Apparently, it seems like only non-dubs could get this sneaker.
Maybe go to DR, get your little tuck. You know what I'm saying?
Also, when you installed the sneaker app, you gave us access to your contacts and your photos. So the app just DMs all your friends like, yo, this dumbass did not get these sneakers.
Motherfucker broke his shit.
Yeah, word. Look at this loser. Hey, I woke up at 10:58. I did not get these sneakers. Wah, wah, wah. I'm a baby. Everyone's like, why would I use this app? Since we can't bring back NBA Street, that gotta be a new thing. Like, we roast people when they're buying sneakers.
That's right.
Yeah.
Roast you.
Roast you.
To death.
Girl, I'll roast you. Girl, I'll roast you.
You and my roast down.
I'll roast you.
That was a good album.
I was born in 91, so I don't know about that album.
hit niggas with the Lil Yachty.
Man, I've only been here for 3 days.
Yeah, Soulja Boy's a go.
Soulja Boy. There's never been an album as good as Soulja Boy. Oh.
Yo, I feel like I'm going to look back on that and be like, yo, this was a classic.
What, Soulja Boy?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, bitch, yeah.
No.
Superman, that whole.
No.
What else is on that?
No, because you have hip hop ears. You have old head of ears.
Hip hop.
Which means that what you consider a classic in your head are so much better than anything Soulja Boy has ever made. You will never allow anything Soulja Boy has ever made
enter the canon?
to enter that canon. You will never hold it to the same esteem that you hold Illmatic, Reasonable Doubt, Ready to Die, all that shit. But see, like younger kids can say that because their Soulja Boy is their Illmatic and their Reasonable Doubt and all that shit. That's why even like we listen to new rappers, you're like, this is cool. But think about what was the latest song that you know word for word? Rap song. See, it's not like back in the day. Remember back in the day, like you'd hear a song and after like 3 days, you know every word of it, and you can rap it. Now you're just like, nah.
I think it's just like it's oversaturation because it's like there'll be a fire song and it'll be fire for a week, and then there's another fire song.
But then also you got to think about like this. We're adults now. We got a lot more going on. It's not like we were in high school on the bus listening to it over and over.
Yo, I'm gonna listen to Funk Flex for 4 hours just to hear this new joint.
Yo, don't talk to me. I'm not putting on deodorant because I'm listening to Shook Ones for 3 days straight.
Hey, motherfucker.
That's not happening no more. Getting excited. I got the new Smith & Wesson album from The Wiz.
Oh, you did?
Oh shit.
Oh shit, yo.
Shit.
Yo, you got the posthumous Big Album?
Yo, let me borrow a AA battery because my mine is dying. I gotta. The stupid Smith & Wesson. They made one side of the album longer than the other, so I gotta like fast forward on this or rewind on the other. You kids don't know about that.
You gotta go to Dollar Store get the 30 pack of batteries that last 15
The biggest struggle this generation has ever had was
talk about it.
The garbage characters in your ID3 tags for your MP3s.
Straight up.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Why, if I download an illegal copy?
Yep.
Of Janelle Monáe, why does it have to say downloaded from hiphopweekly.com? Check us out.
In parentheses with the URL
Take
and
that
shit.
out, bro.
I'm like, bro, I don't need all of that. I don't need
that's
all
gone
of that.
now because now we have streaming.
Stop.
Streaming, and I would like to remind you that streaming rhymes with demons because it's destroying the music industry.
Oh, shit.
Open your third eye.
Yo.
Think about it. How can you have access to every song, every recorder for like $7? How are musicians getting paid?
That's true.
So you gotta do like me. Every time I listen to a song, I cash app whoever performed that song.
$1.
Okay? Because I am an ally.
That's right.
The rest of you people are perpetrators.
That's right.
You're fronting.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So every time that I listen to Seven Rings, I send Ariana Grande $1 because she needs it.
Okay?
She's broke.
The other day, I was listening to Mike Geronimo. So I went to Cash App, money sign, Mike Geronimo, and I sent him $10. Is that Mike Geronimo's cash tag? I don't know.
Maybe not.
I don't know. This is not, I did my diligence.
That's it. That's all you have to do.
Listen,
That's
it's
all you
above
have to
me
do.
now.
That's all you have
it's
to
in
do.
God's hands.
Now, if that person who stole Mike Geronimo's name and stole his intellectual property, if they are not
hate hip-hop.
righteous enough to send that dollar on to the correct Mike Geronimo, then they are disingenuous and a bad person.
They're a bad person.
You know what I'm saying?
Probably
He
Ja
deserved to
Rule,
die in
you know what I'm
World War
saying?
III.
It happens.
No.
So it's our new app called Wash It.
Wash it.
And basically, anytime you use it, it just deducts money from your account. Everyone's like, this is a terrible app. I was having a house party. I was like, listen, the bill's $900. What do you want?
That's what it is.
What do you want?
I'm sorry that you fell asleep listening to Mad Lion
Listen,
on repeat on the plane.
I
but
told you. I told you to take it easy. What?
Yo, looks like we're going to shoot to kill your bank account, pal.
Damn. But the problem is we pay all the rappers in like actual coins. And we don't mail it. But like, do we have like a redemption center? They have to come pick that shit up.
Niggas come through with Mad Coinstar, the wild 5-gallon bucket.
I'm like, please bring a bucket. Please bring a bucket. Up next, we got Percy P. Percy P, please come to the table.
Yo, nigga, man, like, come on. Like, yo, what'd you do? I have 4 buckets full of pennies. Fighting for you.
What's your name?
Mad Lion.
Oh, what's your last name?
Lion.
Okay, hold on. Yeah.
First name Mad, last name Lion.
I got it, sir. Yeah, it says here you had a good month.
I did.
Okay, you're going to.
I did a tour in Norway.
Yes, you
Bomba clad.
you getting $8.64. You have
What?
$8.64. You have a bucket of
Boy, no, take it easy. $8.
Oh, you're right. Our little service charge.
You have a service charge?
Yes.
Oh no! This line about to go mad! Yo, BDP, hold me down! Yo, Karen's gonna come in here like, yo!
You must pay! Is this basically a probation office for old rappers? That's sad because I'll just still be outside like, can I get an autograph?
Yo.
Sign my One Nut magazine, please.
Yo, please.
Wow.
Yo, can you sign this vinyl?
Yeah, oh my God. This is my cousin's murder dog. He's in jail. Hi, I'm a big fan. Hey, I was listening to your album when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Could you sign my copy of the magazine that has Blue Cantrell naked?
Please?
Thank you.
Thank you so
I used
much.
to beat my meat to this. When I was scheming, I was like, yeah, I'm scheming too.
Yeah, I was scheming too. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to her. That was the original OnlyFans?
Yeah.
No, Vanessa Williams from
sure.
But
I forgot about it. Goddamn, I forgot about Vanessa Williams.
I have a database of Pinot.
She was a joint.
She's still
a joint.
Still a joint. A lot of joints are still joints.
Yeah.
There's a lot of joints that aren't joints, but to us, they're still joints.
Yeah.
Shout out to Brazzers, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Every now and then they'll bring out someone, you be like, what? You're still in the
You still in the
industry? Wow.
Yo.
Wow.
And you be hyped too. It's like
be
watching
hyped.
basketball and like Vince Carter hits a game-winning three. You're like, yo,
I didn't even know he's still in the league.
Oh, shout out to you, my
You
G.
get on the phone like 911. Hi, just want to report about to beat my meat. Yeah. Listen, they're in there. So every now and then you watch a Pinot and like someone comes out, you stand up, you like,
Yo.
it was like Melo playing for the last time at the Garden. I was like, nothing but respect.
Yo.
Then you tear up, they're like,
Trade jerseys at the end and shit. Like,
once a Nick, always a Nick. This is me exchanging t-shirts with Sarah J.
her shit is just mad like a ripped up mesh catsuit and shit. Like, you give her an actual shirt.
Oh, shit. Nah, because,
Yo, he's my butt plug.
Listen.
Game worn.
Give them the roses while they're still here. Well,
You know
I
what I'm
mean
saying?
roses, I mean anal roses.
That's
I mean
right.
rosebuds. Ew, so was a Susio girl.
You know the fucking vibe?
This podcast is a mess. Okay? Oh, I feel like Mr. Robot. I feel like I'm on the outside watching this and I have to destroy this.
Yeah.
In an alternate universe, it's just me and you, like you're out, like your kids found out about this podcast. So say a wild shit in the house. I'm outraged because I just feel like it's making the Bronx look bad, and we're trying to destroy this podcast. Bizarro Jesus Mero. We say you're backwards. We're like Ray.
Oh, ramen Cesar. Like, yo.
I could just order ramen. Yo,
Robin?
we can't go without discussing the Drake interview.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Yo, my man's still obsessed with Pusha T.
Yeah, that was wild.
It says it weighs on his conscience. You know what I mean?
That was wild. You know what's ill though? Like, he knew, yo, there's nothing I could do. I respect that he said that. He's like, yo, there's nothing I could do. There's not, like, fam, what am I gonna do? Like,
Here's what I would have done.
It's like-
not brought it up in the interview. Yeah.
This guy brought it up. Elliot
Yeah,
Wilson.
he brought it up, and I would have been like, yeah, that's done. Let's move on. You know what PR training is. Think about, shout out to Sherry, and ID, PR. They would never let us sit down for a 2-hour interview with no unlimited questions. You know how messy that shit would be?
Yeah.
Like,
Well, that's what the people want.
Is that what the people wanted? And then you saw Pusha, he had the weird tweet that was just ha 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 ha, and it filled up all the characters. And, if you're Drake, you're probably at home like, oh, that's probably not good. Shout out to Pusha, he just opened a ramen restaurant in DC, so he's probably working on that. He probably don't even got time for this rap shit.
Oh my God.
He's got other shit going on.
This nigga's just hard boiling eggs talking about, oh, I have to rap again?
Yeah, this nigga's like tasting like the fucking Tanaka, like yeah. I want if Pusha T puts the same intensity in his soup as he puts in his verses. Woof, she's gonna be fire.
There's going to be some cocaine in them bowls.
You know what I'm saying? That white.
Yo. That shit was wild because because when he came out and he was just like, yo, homie said I had a kid. Like, what's my response to that? Like,
yeah, but you know the thing is, he didn't.
There is no response to that.
It wasn't that lackadaisical because he was like, hey, you know, he crossed lines and all this shit, and like he was like, you know, I don't like Pusha T's music, but he bought Pusha T's microphone off eBay, which is a level of hip hop, real hip hop. I do not understand.
Yeah, no.
I'm not buying a mic. When I'm buying a microphone.
He's from Canada.
I might buy a little mic, you know what I'm saying? Little mic action. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm not talking Jordan.
Yeah, little free mic.
You know what I'm saying?
Open mic.
Hey. Welcome to UCB. Hey.
Hey, the B stands for balls.
What does the C stand for?
UC.
Yeah,
You're gonna see these balls. Maroon.
Just another problematic light.
It's on in there. You know what I'm saying? It's a case.
Bodega High, for every time we press the problematic light, we are donating $1 to either Desus or Mero.
Yes. You know what I'm saying?
Dig deep. This is our St. Jude's commercial.
We just gotta come up with baldies and be like, yo.
Too far. See, Matt Lyon, this is why you're not getting the money you're owed.
I like the Elmo gift. Like,
Just burn it down. Oh.
Yo. I'll be tight as fuck when I see the commercial. I'm like, that nigga got more hair than me.
Who? Elmo?
No.
Oh, the St. Jude's kid? Wow. This nigga jealous of St. Jude's kids.
I'm tight.
This nigga has on a Versace hoodie, 2 chains, and he's like, this little St. Jude's nigga got more hair than me. He's like, you know what she got more than me? Life.
White blood cells.
White blood cells, nigga. Expectations, futures, hopes, and dreams.
Low-key, they be G'ing off, though. They
don't be G'ing off.
The Make-A-Wish niggas, they be like, yo, the last thing I want to do is like, yo, play fucking FIFA with Ocho Cinco, whatever the fuck.
Yeah, and then what happens after they do that?
Then they die.
But that's not G'ing off.
But it's like, yo, it's kind of lit. Like, man, picture that. Niggas gonna die regular deaths.
Here's my question.
You don't get like...
Ask the Make-A-Wish people. Be like, yo, would you rather play FIFA with Ocho Cinco or would you rather live? I think I know which one they're picking.
You gotta catch them on the right day.
You know, we're getting to the point that the problematic light ain't enough. The problematic light is not enough.
Listen,
I think the cops might just be building a case against us using the podcast. We probably broke some FCC law. Like, they're just building it up.
Yo. Oh, man. Then we go to court and the loophole is like, sir, it's not a podcast, it was art. Therefore, it does not fall under the statute of FCC media. Pow. You know what I'm saying?
Was Mona Lisa the first OnlyFan?
She was. She was the number one first, and they put her in the Louvre. They gave her mad bread, so she shut her shit down.
Yeah.
She's like, yo, I only got a
She got all that picture. She got all that money off the first picture, so she probably never showed it. Yeah.
She was good. She didn't have to do that. It's like the baddest stripper in the club. Mm-hmm. They don't even take their top off.
She was like the visiting girl. Yeah.
They just walk around on stage and shit and get money thrown at them, and then they go back in the room and like text the rest
You
of
think
the
the guy that who painted the Mona Lisa?
Da Vinci.
Was it Da Vinci? Yeah, Da Vinci. Shout out to you. He was trying to beat.
Shout out to fine art.
He was definitely trying to beat.
Oh, he's trying to beat? That's why her face was like that. She was just
She's like, this nigga trying to beat.
Think
about it. All Da Vinci was basically
trying to flex.
A Tumblr photographer in the 15, like in the early. He was like, yo, Mom, come here.
Renaissance
let me paint you.
Yo, come here.
Yo, put this traffic cone on your head.
Yo, matter of fact, we gonna do nudes.
Yo, get in this fucking tub full of Lucky Charms. Yeah,
let me paint you real quick.
It's gonna take 4 days.
But just stay still.
It's just gonna curdle, but
it's all good though. You good though.
Damn. You know she was gassed. Like, that nigga painted me.
When they did the Sistine Chapel, was that Michelangelo? Whoever did the Sistine Chapel, imagine the first thing that walked in there, he was like, yo, who painted that 2 naked niggas up on the ceiling?
Yo, you dead ass, my man?
Yo, my man, that nigga's dick out.
Hey, yo, pause.
Yo, son.
Yo, whose mans is this?
Yo, why them niggas holding hands with their dicks out?
Yo, that's what burn them. Man a man that's wrong. And that's why Desus and Mero can never have a time machine. Yo, my guy. What the? Hey, yo, look at this nigga. Yo, you wildin'. Yo.
That boy got some reach.
Yo.
Speaking of that, all these niggas' dick pics is getting leaked. What's happening, bro? Didn't the baby dick pic get leaked? And fucking
okay, the Steph Curry wasn't real. The baby one wasn't real.
Wasn't real?
None of these are real. Whew. That's why you gotta have that too. You gotta have that two-way authentication on your phone.
Yeah,
make sure. Unless you know what I'm saying. Unless you like me, you put like watermarks on your shit. And you got like your please follow Desus Nice on Instagram. My shit's basically an infographic. I'm gonna keep it funky. You know what I'm saying? It has like my stats.
You know what I'm saying? It's just like yo,
contact information.
Curse to the left.
Please contact Sherry Goldberg for more information. So it talks about that one home run I hit in 8th grade. Just let you know what I'm working with. Dick pics. Also, all my dick pics are blockchain. So I don't know what that means, but
it's important. It's important to the future of digital.
So you can
currency.
check it and be like, oh yes, that is an authentic dick pic. Every morning I'm looking at the Bitcoin price, like, the price of my dick pic went down. Damn. Fuck you, Coinbase.
Somebody may listen to this podcast and make an entire collection, a photo collection of dick pics, and make it into like an art exhibit at like the MoMA or some shit. Watch.
That's cool.
Watch.
You want to go see some dick pics? I'm ready.
You know the fucking vibe.
Dick pics. Dicks on deck.
Oh my god!
Get them dacks out. There's a difference between a dick and a deck. Dack.
The dack.
A dack.
Dack.
You know.
Somebody suck that baby's dick. Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Dack. A dack is typically 5 pounds heavier than a normal dick.
I'm mad because that's in regards to a baby. So if the baby's 10 pounds, I got a 5-pound dick. Oh, no, wait. Do the math.
They can't even walk.
Anyone got any paper? Remember in school, they'd be like, yo, show your work.
Yo.
And you'd be like, yo, I don't know what the fuck this I was like, let me just write some bullshit on this to the teacher.
Let me just write Foxy Brown's affirmative action first in here and see what happens.
I forgot what. It was like some class in, I want to say like junior high, and it was like solve for X, and I was like 9. And it was like, what? I was like, it's 9. And it was like, show how. I was like, no, it's just 9. Replace X with 9.
9 and it works.
What the fuck?
Why do I have to
This
show
math
it
shit is easy. It's like when I was in calculus class and it was like, any questions? I was like, there's no numbers. There's no numbers. They talk about sine and all types of shit. I don't know what shit is.
Yeah, what is
also, I had calculus class at 8 a.m.
Oh,
and shout out to the.
Why'd you do that?
That's how they gave it to me. I don't know. I have no say that. Shout out to the father at Manhattan College who made the mistake of telling me to take my baseball cap off, and I had to inform him that yes, he is a man of God, but I will fuck him up. I'm not taking off my baseball cap. I pay tuition in this bitch, and I will waste 20 minutes of this class's time arguing this shit. And like I came in the next day, he was like, and I was like, sorry, I get pussy. I can't take my hat off. Sorry. Yeah.
Bozo.
Fucking. Ooh, I have a collar.
That was sick. You sitting there like, oh.
You got a collar? I got a collar too, because Hove just came out with Change Clothes and Go.
That's right.
All right, so I got rid of my jersey.
That's right.
Even though it was a Steph Marbury jersey. That shit was 5XL. The bottom of his mad dirty for touching the bottom of the club. I was out there looking like Charlie Brown. Just security like, big man.
Big man.
Lift that.
Big man.
Lift that.
Big man. Well, how you in here with a knife?
I'm literally in there dancing like Charlie Brown, like do 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 do.
Niggas' feet just going in circles.
Yo, he brought his dog to the club.
Yeah.
It's Snoopy, but it's a pit bull from the Bronx.
Yo, and Snoopy was out of all of them dancers, Snoopy was going the hardest.
Snoopy was killing it.
Yo, he was off of Molly.
Snoopy was killing it. Snoopy was
off of
doing
Beam.
a Molly Wop. He was inventing dances and shit.
I think was hitting a Millie Rocket like 1968.
Shoot. He was doing like the baby dance. He was like, yo, Snoopy, relax. Snoopy, you ain't have to go so hard on him.
Yo,
Snoopy, go Snoopy,
hey.
go Snoopy,
Hey.
go Snoopy, go Snoopy. You just see Woodstock like, yeah. Goes, hey, pick it up from my man.
Nigga throw Woodstock in the air, catch him on his head, like,
Yo,
spin him around.
Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown, we love you, Charlie Brown. Oh,
Niggas do the cha-cha slide, niggas go, now Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown's like, what is that?
what do I do? The camera just goes to him like, no, Charlie Brown. He's like,
hi, hey, hi. I have anxiety and
Linus. I mean, if we're gonna be honest, Charlie Brown should have probably shot up a school.
Woo! Fuego! You don't think it would have been Pigpen? Because he's like,
He was dirty?
Not because he's
But
dirty.
he was dirty, but niggas still fucked with him, which was good.
Which is good. But it's like that resentment. Like, yo, these niggas all got money.
Nah, I think the resentment was
dusty.
Charlie Brown. Because think about it, Charlie Brown, like niggas would be at his house and shit, but then like people be calling him blockhead.
Oh, yeah.
Lucy always yanking the football from him.
Your little sister's sonning you on a regular basis.
Exactly. Your dog getting mad more pussy than you.
Yeah.
Like, fuck that. After a while, it's like, yo, it's AR-15. You know what? I think at some point, by maybe episode 190, we're just gonna ask Hasan to just make. Do you remember there was when Mobb Deep Murder Music dropped? Early version of it had a watermark, and every 30 seconds it was like Loud Records. This is promotional only, and just kept doing it every 30 seconds. So we're just gonna have the problematic light just playing in the background every 30 seconds, just to save time. That's gonna be the name of their church. It'll be like, yo, we moved away from the problematic light. The light was calling us. Come to the light. The dirty light. Like dirty Sprite. It was calling me. Calling me. I turned my back on it. Turn my back on it. That's right. I said no to my plans. I said no to my OnlyFans. Right. I stopped beating my meat. That's right. And I started feeding the meek. Preach. And I said to myself, I want double topping. Yes. In heaven. Talk to him. And I said, Lord, preach, brother, preach. I would like to get double topping from Mother Teresa and Harriet Tubman. And they would be... How does heaven work? Is there like huts? Is there clouds? That's where the blessings come in. There gotta be a warning system. There gotta be. You can't be a heaven wilder because they got yo, my man. Yo, man, the guy comes over like me, like security. Yo, big man. Yo, big man.
You wildin'.
Yo,
listen, you in the VIP now. You want to go down there?
Yo, my man, get your feet off that cloud. Yo, yo, no halos, my man. You know the dress code. Come on, come. Yo, Jehovah, get this guy out of here. You had too much. Come here. You're nice over. You had a good night. What you mean, bro? Yo, you're nice. You had a good night, sir. But it was Sacramento. You had a good night, sir.
It was Sacramento
wine. Moses, help me over here.
It was Sacramento wine.
Moses, help me.
It was Jesus. He turned the water. I was drinking water. He made it wine.
Where's the extra pair of wings come from? Where's the extra pair of wings?
This is my wings from Coach.
Yo, Einstein, who is this guy? Get this guy out of here. Einstein's the DJ.
He's like E equals MC.
Where all my Aries at? Exclusive.
He's just like, yo, bro, come on, man.
You are now rocking with E equals MC squared. DJ Einstein. Ow. They got the wild drop. I'm like, what?
The boys are like, y'all saw fucking Mary Magdalene. I heard some things.
On the flyers, is him with the apple in his mouth. Like, yo. I'm there. I'm like, he's all right. He's no Hasan.
This part is gonna be the bomb.
No. Go Hasan. Hey. Fuck it up, Hasan. He's just playing mad math equations and shit.
He's like, yo, this is my theater of relativity remix. Let's go with Pop Smoke.
I was like, is this technically drill?
Welcome everybody to math class.
Welcome to the gravity.
Yeah, we're gonna do some physics. Niggas is doing astrophysics.
Oh man, good times, bad times. Yeah. Remember this day.
To this day. That's right. Imagine this is a live podcast. I remember, like, as soon as we leave, like, the world gets annihilated.
That was so because you had that tweet. It was like, damn, the world's about to end just when we was getting money.
It was just starting to get money. That shit is a wrap.
Probably for the best. It's probably for the best. Because think about us with money.
Ooh, that should probably accelerate the apocalypse.
You don't want that. You don't want that. I'm about to go to the account. Like, how do I get a nuclear bomb? On eBay, like nuclear bomb. Wait. Used. Refurbished.
2013 nuclear bomb.
Nuclear bomb.
Standard.
Student ID discount. I'm buying nuclear bombs like I'm at Pearl Paint. Like, yeah, get 20% off this shit.
Yeah.
Like, you want to pick it up in the store, deliver to your house. I was like, deliver to my house, please.
The kid Mero at hunter.cuny.edu.
I'm about to get the wild, cheap nuclear bomb on Amazon. I got to fucking put together.
The instructions is not in English at all.
The wild email like, please leave a 5-star review. I was like, fam, I can't. Dear nuclear bombs are us. My nuclear bomb did not come with a navigational fin nor uranium. Question mark. 3 review.
You just put a 1-star review and be like, I opened my nuclear bomb. I was super excited.
Nuclear bomb did not blow shit up. Not as advertised. Do not buy.
Do not buy. There was no mushroom cloud. I was very disappointed.
Underneath a mad like fake reviews like, we're great. Number 1, American Joe Chief, yes. But what the fuck is that?
American Eagle Man. Excellent bomb. Lovely time bomb.
Good bomb. I use with wife. Sexy time. I'm like, what the fuck? What's going on with this? Everyone's like, yeah, you should have bought your nuclear bomb on Wayfair. Wayfair, you got bombs that I need.
Yo, nigga buy a crochet bomb on Etsy and shit. Like,
shit hits the ground. I'm just like, oh.
Like, yo, what is that? What is that?
I was like, it's crochet. It's handmade.
Yeah, it's basically just a giant hacky sack.
Yeah.
It was full of beans.
It's Etsy.
Get a bowl full of beans.
You said a bowl full of beans?
A bomb full of beans.
Bomb full of beans. That sounds like
bomb full of beans. Yeah, I was gonna say bombs over Baghdad, but that is not timely.
That's not timely. Bombs over beans sounds like a Rage Against the Machine track they left on the floor.
Yeah,
like they were mad frustrated in the studio, and at the end of the day, they were like, "This ain't it.
This ain't it.
This shit.
We want to be righteous, like on every
bombs over beans." They're like that.
Damn.
What kind of beans? Like busted
kidney beans?
Yeah, Boston baked beans.
Yeah, because Boston's racist. Yeah, bombs over Boston baked beans.
Those who eat beans, are also real mean. And those who eat beans are not what they seem. Everyone's like, Zach, it's not.
Yo,
Zach, you're not bringing the heat tonight.
Yo, that sounded deep. I know that it sounded deep.
It's like
after like 2 blocks.
That's on Kids Bop level.
Yeah, literally.
Come on, give me another shot.
All right.
The magical fruit will make you go poop. No.
Poop?
Zach, we rented the studio for 5 hours.
Why don't you take 5?
You know what? Nah, we'll just come back tomorrow.
Take 5.
It's just not that.
Just can we bring in like Pop Smoke or somebody in here?
What about I got another one? Beans on parade.
Beans.
Why would beans be on parade?
Why?
No, it's for Goya. We're selling out. We're working for Goya. This is a beans on parade. It's for Puerto Rican Day Parade.
Okay, we didn't discuss this at all.
Oh, I already got the money, so it's
all right, fuck it. Beans on parade. Let's
beans
go.
On parade.
Right. Beans on parade. Eat a with some ice and soda.
Mad white fright boys on 2nd Avenue throwing the dope in the air. Like, yeah,
fuck yeah.
Farmanos. Yeah. Nosotros. De lo mío. They're playing it on St. Patrick's Day. Like, yo, for dad.
Yeah. He's playing Daddy Yankee on St. Patrick's Day. Like,
yeah, 27 rings, bro. He's the father of the Yankees. Like, what?
He's the father of the Yankees.
Hey, DJ, you got like misbehaved rabbit? I'm like, Bad Bunny?
Yeah, that guy. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
bro.
Yeah.
I love that shit.
Love that shit, bro.
Love that shit.
The song that goes don 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 don.
Yeah, that shit, bro.
Love that.
Bro, when he's just like fucking like when he's like talking Spanish, bro. Fucking love it, bro.
I love that. I love that. What about that other guy, Little Romeo and Santa?
Yeah.
His shit is great.
Yeah, Romeo, Julie Santo. Right?
Yeah, I love this shit, bro.
Bro, it's like he took the Shakespeare shit and he took it to another level, bro.
I
It's
loved him,
Spanish,
man.
bro.
He was so
It's
good and smart
awesome.
guy, and just see him keep doing his thing. I was like, he's elevating the culture.
He was really good, man.
Anyway, I gotta go. We gotta get to the La Marina before a nuclear bomb comes.
Yeah,
Let's
sorry,
go, bro.
About the nuke us.
Yo, DJ, play Beans on the Parade one last time. Yo, it's been episode 180. Wait, have we good? Hour? Okay.
Oh.
It's that power hour. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
An hour of us beating on your back.
Yeah.
Is that like, can you do that? Can you get nasty with beans and sex? That changes shit, right?
You good.
But then you gotta
There's gotta be
you
a lot
gotta
of
make
trust.
the beans before.
It's gonna be a lot of
And
trust.
it can't be cold beans.
No.
But then if they're too hot, you burn shorty.
But it depends on what you're trying to do with them. Because you could take uncooked beans, you could take raw beans, put them on a string, and use them as like anal beads.
Right, but nah, I wouldn't like pour like big beans.
Like the sauce, let it drip down, yeah. Just have a hot dog bun at the bottom of the choach and shit. Just collect it all. And just like,
you doing it? You got Duke the dog. He's watching like, yeah, roll that fucking beautiful bean footage, you bitch. Like, yo, you know what? It's been episode 185. We brought to you by Big Smegger and Big Beans. Big bowl of brown beans.
That's what I'm talking about.
Never lost.
Never lost.
Never lost. And he farts like. Support black-owned beans. Oh, that's right. Black-owned beans.
Black-owned beans. New
Black-owned
shit.
beans.
New shit.
Black-owned, black-eyed beans. Beans? Black-eyed beans?
Black-owned, black-eyed beans.
Oh,
Yo, listen. Well, I am sorry. Not source.
Yo.
Yo.
You know the fucking vibes.
The vibes. We do know them.
Listen, y'all.
You know.
Happy 2020.
Happy 2020.
May you enjoy much prosperity in the new year coming. But not more than us. If you prosper more than us, we're going to hate on you.
That's true.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
Have we won enough that we can calm down? We could just like let niggas chill and let other people eat?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds about right. Mm-hmm. We've had some prosperity. We've had a good run.
Drop a movie, some books and shit. Like, do some shit.
Yeah. Got the wild Brazzer scene coming out.
Oh, that's going to be lit.
It's going to be great.
Oof.
It's one of those scenes that actually has props and background and is color corrected.
Ooh, super lit.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Shit is litty.
Wait till we're gonna hit all the top joints. We're gonna hit Black. We're gonna hit Tushy. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna do all those weird ones where it's just like those really specific ones where like girl needs passport. Like, okay.
Oh, okay. All right.
You click, you're like, wow, there's only 2 scenes. And like this site went out of business after 2 scenes. You're like, shit. Let me download this before it gets diluted. Yo, it's been your boy Desus, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tineo, aka Pocket Stay Fat like.
Here we go.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Here we go. You know, you gotta keep it clean. Some of that might know you, but Young Day Party here and Hot Take DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. Getting that peri sauce.
Get it.
Get all that chicken in there.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's say before Brexit hips. 1994 York McHill going off the Juve boss. MC looking complete. Pulling up for 40 with your shorty. AK don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. And people were like tagging me because a person in an Uber, someone paid, the Uber driver had like $2,000 she owed in student loan debt, and the passenger paid it off for her as like a New Year's gift. And I'm like, wow, what did I tell you about talking inside the Uber?
Yo,
don't do that.
I was like, list of things I would never do.
Okay. Let the Uber driver be like, yo, I got mad student loan debt. I'm like,
shit.
That's wild.
That's wild, nigga. I hope you pick up some
more putting in the AirPods, like, yo, that's wild. Wow, damn, homie, wow, yo, no, take the tunnel, not the bridge. Okay,
somewhere you wild.
All right, I'm gonna take a nap back here. The reason why +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss. Just let us in.
No.
Matter of fact, we're probably the reason this event is happening. So the fact that you're even gonna question how many people I'm bringing in is a little rude.
Asinine.
Yeah.
It's a little obnoxious.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna have to ask for your name. Because I don't want you working at future events with me.
Sorry. So,
get
out.
You made it.
Write your name on this post-it right here. I put it on the floor. Get down, write it, and leave.
Yeah, sorry.
Bye. Oh, you want to leave?
Oh, wait, you really don't want to leave?
Huh?
Hey, these Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Happy Hanukkah.
Yeah.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Padre, goes to Mufasa, Young Chakunery, Ratatounery. You what I'm saying? Make sure you got your coonery face.
That's right.
A.K.A. Tilly Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Galo K.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
papi.
Hey, it's the off-season, you know? You know, I have not been throwing the ball, but I've been doing a repetitive motion with it in the lounge.
Hey.
J. Phone Jones,
Yeah,
DJ Markin,
wow,
J. Chuck with Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond is labeled dilute, use 2 napkins. Deanna the Trap, yo, Mr. 240, because I like my Pinot blurry.
Yeah.
Like to the point where if the thumbnail wasn't blurry, but the actual video is, I'm pressing back.
Yeah.
Because I don't have that time.
No.
There is a possible nuclear war about to happen.
Yes.
And I can't be jerking it to Blurry Pinot like that. Like, give me something.
Something, bro.
Like, I could, if it's a scene I've seen before, I can
imagine
fix,
it.
You know what I'm saying?
You can fill in the
I need that
blanks.
HD, baby. I need that 4K.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I need to see stuff in the porn that makes me want to stop beating it. You know what I mean? I want to see. I want to be like, yo, whoa. Is that a blister?
Ooh. It popped.
Ew. Ooh.
Oh.
Is that?
What's that white stuff like coming out? Oh.
Well, I'm almost there, so I'm not gonna stop.
Fuck it. Who cares? We a social gang.
Fuck it. Someone give me a sock. DJ Woolite, aka to Wash FM. Up next, we have what we call R&B for Brooklyn chicks.
Yeah. Hit him.
Up next to the stage.
Welcome to Hell's Roadway.
A little MOP 4-alarm blaze with Teflon, and this one had Jay-Z. Look how uncomfortable Jay-Z looks in this video.
Get the dough over with the rover, snatch the
Yo.
clip holder, rip through your shoulder.
Bitch, it's Jay-Hova. I know for a fact.
This is when Jay-Hova used to rock multiple fitted white tees at the same time.
I know for a fact Gwyneth Paltrow does not know Jay-Z was on this song.
Not at all.
Every time she sees him in the lobby. Hey, Sean.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, Sean. Saw your video with MOP. Bitch, it's Jay-Hova. I love it. I love it. Hey, the curry goat. Jesus Spice said, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray nephew, the Marino. You can't contain the human memory. What you jaw? Jug Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedrick, Bud Coast, Nelson Bain, Sergio, you can't see me, Vladimir, Boofin.
Yeah.
The human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more says Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
The juice of the press, but your boy never is.
God
I am
damn.
the art, damn it.
God damn.
The Dundada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Cash Nova, William 8 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar, forget the small change.
What you want? What you want? What you need?
Big money wine.
Big money wine.
Don't answer my salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, man's is Merv. Sure, Rizzuto, holy cow, you know what it is. Mr. Soft Parks, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
That's right.
David Yurman, these expensive, these are red bottles, these bloody shoes, Mokeem, Noah, Andrew Kuhn, and a.k.a. the Junior, Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charge.
Sit on it, no wireless charging.
Call me Petco, cause I got your bitch on freeze. We got to do a party where we watch like the next time they do the dog show.
Like a dog show after party?
It's gonna be like Henny Palooza, but just have niggas like mad smoke and just like
Mad
betting
dogs
money
running around
on
and
dogs
shit.
and shit. The top of a gossip is Sayas. Shout out to 11791. Let's go Rangers.
Yeah.
Let's go Islanders, actually.
You know the fucking vibe.
AK Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket, boy. Mm-hmm. Your man Deadeye D's this morning, Sheriff. It'd be a real shame if, you know, one of these Foucault dolls disappeared. Mr. Shopping that street, he's a bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. And shout out to everyone buying real estate in New York, because that shit is whack as fuck. Ooh. My God. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like automatic craft mag. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh Marina, a cold demeanor. The She Man's killer. No one bit iller. The black Zach Moore support Morris, young KPOX. You know what I'm saying? I'm moving your metric for all your advertisers. Again, we're sponsored by Big Smegma. Yeah. And who was the other one?
Motherfucking.
That's all right. Hey, it's your man. It's your personal Desus.
That's right.
Second best. Put me to the test. Because your chest, you need to confess. I will deliver. You know I'm a forgiver.
Yeah.
Reach out and touch faith. AKA your problematic base, not a secret family. If you don't mention them in your tweets about World War III.
Somebody suck that baby shit. Somebody suck that baby shit.
Come to the table. We got.
Oh my God! Wow!
It is Mero.
It's It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. Say the fuck out my DMs. Because even though the apocalypse is impending, I just want to get money. I ain't trying to lose half. You heard? A.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, hop the curb. You know what I'm saying? Hit your fucking best friend Buster and keep it moving, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not, nigga. I got a Versace hoodie on. I don't care. I know fucking baby. I'm fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Unless it comes to the drive, then I am a fucking baby. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Wah, bitch, I'm a baby. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list, man. Yo, don't fucking touch me. If you call me Big Man one more time, nigga, I'm getting the Draco out. Stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? They shoot this nigga's do-rag off. A.k.a. CC Dad Bath here. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my basement doing concentrated hits of THC, awaiting the apocalypse. A.k.a. James St. Fat Dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tiger Backwoods, smoking 3 grand blunt, then hit you with this 9-iron, nigga, pow. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. getting to the shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. all my kids is in talks to be the next Giants head coach because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You heard?
That sounds like child abuse.
You know what I'm saying? Yes, it probably is. Cool diapers. A.k.a. Ben Smack Beyond Boy. A.k.a. Diego Maradona. A.k.a. Dick in your big motobo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. I'm sorry. I take that back. I respect your agency. The pussy belongs to you and it is your domain. If you grant me access, I would be greatly appreciative. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Paulo Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a Zipcar. And I don't even care, nigga, I'm getting out and running because it was a Chevy Malibu, nigga. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch me uptown with my shirt off, you know what I'm saying? I might be a locksmith, you know what I'm saying, with my penis exposed. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to he might have a picture of it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, some my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask me for selfies and that's how Helen and the kids is doing. All right? You like your little CVS job, Edward, huh?
It's all right. I mean, there's an apocalypse.
Okay, cool, yeah. So then fucking put the Snapple and my fucking bars in the bag and keep it moving, dog.
Maybe
Stop
they hear what I
asking me
said. They said there's a fucking apocalypse coming, so why don't you suck my dick from the back?
Wow,
How about that?
Wow.
How about the world's about to blow up?
Well,
every time you do the AKs, you want to talk shit to me. You know what? Fuck you, buddy.
Oh, wow.
Fuck you. You know what? Fuck you. Fuck you and fuck you. Take this tag sideways, all right? I don't need, you know what I'm saying? I'm a big guy around here. I have the fucking keys to the deodorant, all right? Do you have the keys to the deodorant? I'm the fucking man here.
Right,
I'm the fucking man here, bro.
Relax,
I'll fucking own you, bro.
Oh shit. Yo,
right?
You wildin'.
You think you run things because you're on TV, you got little chains and shit?
What?
I'll shoot this place up, but don't play with me.
No. Okay, Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. So tanny, let me black out. You know what I'm saying? AK Light Now Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for?
It is.
I can see it in your eyes that your progress ain't got fire. But you said that you had something like blockchain, so I guess I'll let you smoke and then we'll figure it out later.
Oh,
you know
no, bro. I got like a block on a chain.
Oh.
Yeah, like it's just a cinder block. It's on a chain. I've been dragging it for like 3 blocks and shit. Like, I was looking for Michael Anthony. He'd appreciate this kind of thing.
Oh.
Sometimes what I do, I wrap the chain around my neck and I drop the block behind me while I jerk off and like I pass out. But it's like David Carradine kind of stuff. Yeah,
so go try that in the other room. I'm gonna go smoke the weed by myself over here.
Are you gonna come after?
Well, it depends on what you mean by come.
You know what I mean, big boy.
Woo, okay.
Bring those sweet cheeks over here.
I'm gonna go over there now.
I wanna slap your big wet cheeks.
Okay, all right. I'm uncomfortable now. Bye. Okay, Tom Brady's here. Got my balls inflated more than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? Table shop boys in the motherfucking building. Y'all, Sucio gang. AKA Field to Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man, but with full consent. You know what I'm saying?
Consent.
Neither of us under the influence of any type of narcotic or alcohol, and we passionately want to make love to each other. Thank you. Okay, little snoozy, first nigga to tap on live. I've been doing it before all y'all SoundCloud rap niggas. You know what I'm saying? Before you niggas said your first little ad lib, nigga, I was passing out on Instagram Live. That's right.
It's true. It's true.
Pioneer. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Friano Messi MVP of Gelato. A.K.A. Zanel Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. Ooh. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To do what?
To smoke with me.
What's the location?
At Mama Sushi.
Also, the place is a bomb shelter. Be there. If the nuclear bomb is coming, get to Mama Sushi. I cannot stress this enough.
Flagship.
Ladies, I need you to wear I need you to wear outfits that will protect you if there is a bomb coming. So they have to allow tube dresses.
Yes.
Don't be afraid to show a little skin. Open-toe shoes are acceptable.
Fashion Nova has a great line of anti-apocalyptic gear now.
That's right. If you listen, put on the Spanx. I don't give a shit.
Yeah,
listen.
do it.
After them, after 2 hookahs and like mad fucking Modelos, nigga, I'm gonna go to that restaurant. I'm gonna get Matt Burnell that I can't pronounce properly. I'm gonna blow your back out. Then after I leave your house, I'll be like, damn, why does this bitch live on the top of these steps?
God damn, this shit was a walk up. I forgot.
I hate Uptown.
Damn, bro. Okay, Ben Barson. My hands are gifted. I was busy constructing human vertebrae out of McDonald's napkins, and we started World War III. Oops. Your favorite surgeon.
Did it again.
That's right, I did. Or was it me? I don't know. I don't even know what's going on. Your favorite surgeon could never. Candy, get the strap. We're about to go to war. It's serious. I'll be your minister cabinet because you know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown. Shut the Carter down. A.K.A. live from Pale-Matic on Southern Boulevard. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is Fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. No saying my fucking around for all them train tracks, dogs. Not a good look.
Stevie, get up. The 4's coming. Stevie, get up.
Oh, shit. Oh, bro.
Stevie, oh my God, your head's bleeding.
Oh, the 1 train. I thought you said I want to be the
4 train.
Oh, my
There's the 4 in the road.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry.
Get the cans.
Puppy.
Get the cans.
I got it, puppy.
We gotta get them in. That's at least $4 with the cans.
I got it, puppy.
God.
Yo, did you get the late King Cobras?
No. You know I got like 1 blood cell left, bro. Come on, bro.
All right, puppy. We're gonna go on tour. We're gonna bring it back.
All right, bro.
AKA, I'll make my friends I'm never gonna fail. AKA, listen, mate. It's every week. Damn near have to tell you this. It's apocalypse impending. So please revere and pay homage to the 2 rock stars left on this planet, mate. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Well, what else?
Seeing if this radiation will get me high.
Oh, shit. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, get
about to catch the wild contact off that bomb, bro.
You know what I'm saying, bro, that uranium high, bro. That shit is different, bro. Ballin' in Portland until the arena is evaporated in a mushroom cloud. It's Barmelo's Anthony. For 3. Earth has disappeared. AKA, if you see me talking higher than a moth on a plane windshield, approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal dog because I might react erratically, nigga. I might be shopping for, you know what I'm saying, doom prepper shit. Like, you know what I mean? Like peanut butter and soup and shit like that.
This nigga storing beans. I'm like, I am. Like, the doom is coming.
Dude, like, you need canned food.
You need lentils.
Like, come on, what the fuck?
Well, you just standing around at Home Depot heckling niggas buying this shit? Like, do you have supplies at home?
Do you
just heckle niggas.
Yeah.
That's right. I'm the heckler.
Y'all stupid.
This nigga buying 4x4s. I'm like,
this nigga got sandbags.
This nigga love his family. I'm like, all right, you going. Okay, go to PJ's with that shit, bro.
Come on, boy. Get the fuck out of here. AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. I'm meeting for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over. I may have urinated myself, but I'm gonna need the deposit ASAP. While I count the money in the van, I'll let you talk to my my associate, Mr. Fun Fun.
Hey kids, everyone get down in case of, a bomb. Oh no, look, a mushroom. Who kids want to see my mushroom?
Whoa, Mr. Fun Fun, put the mushroom away. Mushroom away. Whoa. Okay, let's get into the van. Let's go. Skirt. Okay. So fake leads your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He is high off some Whole Foods vegan agave syrup. Heather's sister left here last time she was here, and Misolin. You know what I'm saying? Now it is time to turn on your SAP buttons. If you do not have one, you're fucked. You know what I'm saying? Go to the bodega and ask Poppy what the fuck it was I just said. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el hit de FIFA. Joseando en la calle en alta, que lo que guau. Era delincuente, ahora estamos lindos de lunes a domingo. La verdadera pámpara. No te metas conmigo, que ando con 2 tigres que no hablan inglés, pero hablan machete y tumbacoco. Pisa fino, cacoñema, ¿ok? Como siempre, shout out a la casa. Showtime, shout out, Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Que así que más mandamos los cuartos, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan y Sega que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la ley 24 quilates de magia en esa melena. Y shout out Desus Bueno, el presidente de Jamaica, you know what I'm saying? Es que shout out a la nena de la bodega, Dai, la máquina eléctrica, y Vicky que está inválida pero con la nota más alta que una chichigua, you know what I'm saying? Es que shout out Jubilee, la más dura, call for location de venta, yeah. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto, my friend, ya tú sabes que lo que conmigo. Pronto libertad en mi mano friki y que descanse en paz mi hermanito Sexor, te quiero mucho y me quité ya. Toda la gente en el medio yo no tengo nada que ver, espérate. Para toda mi gente en el medio yo no tengo nada que ver con esta vaina, estos son los gringos, ¿ok? Yo soy dominicano, papi, esos fueron los gringos, yo no speak English. Okay, no bomba over here because I'm Dominican. I don't know nothing about America. Beefing with you. I don't know no Donald Trump. Mi presidente is Danilo Medina. That's it. Okay. I know have nothing. I don't speak English. I'm Dominican. I don't have nothing to do with this thing. Okay. Thank you very much. Please do not explode that, man.
Oh my God!
Wow. Just sold out the whole country. Wow. I respect the energy, though. I respect the energy. You know, you got to protect your own. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? No judgment there.
You gotta hit him with the yo, I'm Jamaican.
Yo,
I don't know.
First immigrant, first generation.
Yo, I don't know.
As always, been episode 185.
Enjoy that.
Enjoy that.
We're getting closer to 187
You know what it is.
when we kill ourselves online.
Wow. You know what I'm saying? You dropped the bomb on me, yeah. Yeah, you know what it is. Sociopaths coming to you live from always. Y'all shout out to Cash App, shout out to Showtime, shout out to Hasan, everything. Y'all, congrats to Vashti on the engagement. We out here.
Yeah.
See you next week, ball bags. If there is a next week.
He's trying to just tweeted Trump is a bozo.
Just got the Secret Service at their house, like,
Ma'am. What exactly do you mean by bozo?
That.
Gratata.
Has to be firing the Draco. Like, I don't think this is the right gun, y'all. This gun's not working properly. It's like mad flowers and shit coming out. All the hot radios are like, yo, what the fuck? I was like, I got it at Ricky's.
Yo, I don't know.
I don't know. I bought it in the West Village.
This shit only shoots Astroglide, but I don't know.
Lordy.
Yeah.
185 episodes of this.
Yeah, man.
I mean, it's not funny, but you know it'd be hilarious in a movie if something happened and like Di fucks up some SAG paperwork and somehow we end up in the army. Desus and Mero in Iran.
No.
They'll be like, "Where's the first gunners?" We just in the back behind a camel getting high, like
yo, nigga said this was the green zone, so
you know what I'm saying? Light it.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck that.
Niggas have us on the wall of stealth mission, like, oh, keep quiet over this. I'm like, I see them. They here.
Yo, they're right over there. Yo, you got light?
My phone goes off and my ringtone is Purple City Bird Gang.
We round the five?
Yo, you like that?
That's so sad. Purple City Bird Gang. East side.
Sorry.
Bretta. Yo, Jim Jones.
Niggas take us on the gun range. We hit nothing but headshots. They like,
how?
I'm like, yeah, I've never fired a gun before.
Yeah.
We fire guns with blood in the mouth. Like,
yeah. I play a lot of Halo.
Yeah.
Gra-ta-ta-ta.
But I gotta shoot them for what? They're from a rival block?
Where they from? They
I
from?
got no beef with them. I'm not shooting Poppy from the bodega. What the
That
fuck is wrong with
cool. I
you?
fuck with him.
Come on, man.
That's Ak. That's my man's. He be hitting me off of Lucy's.
Like I run to the front lines. I drop my gun. I have my hands in the air, and I go, I come in peace. In exchange for a chopped cheese with lettuce, tomatoes, please toast a friend. And you know what I'm saying, Poppy? I'm put a little butter on that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go over here and wait.
That'll just delay the whole war and
just
shit. Just get mad niggas making sandwiches at the same time.
That's how we get peace. They all handing over chopped cheeses and shit to the army. Everyone's like, live your time, live your time. Trump is like, "Rrr."
God damn it, they did it with chopped cheeses and Pepsi. Yo.
Get the wild airdrop of Tim's. Like, yo,
It's a care package. Open it up.
can't wear these regular military boots.
Nah, we need the fucking. The double
Everyone else
sole.
has on like fucking fatigues and shit. We got on North Face jackets. They got on the wild Nike tech suit. We just look like two extras from Top Boy.
Yo, these niggas just wearing mad wrong equipment like compression sleeves and shit. Like, yo, this is what
Niggas
y'all
got
wear, right?
off-white guns.
Should say gun.
Go ahead.
Yo,
I can't see the tag. It's all
like yo,
I'm
chill.
like,
Nah,
shit.
but I gotta keep it. I keep this.
Virgil made this.
Yeah, nah, it's not official if you take the zip tie off.
What's wrong with you? I got this from Fight Club. Fight Gun Club.
Dos, tres.